Hello everyone, welcome to SAP Navigator. In today's video, we will discuss about one of the common SDFI integration, that is to get the same number for both billing document and the accountant document. So before going to our video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe my YouTube channel SAP Navigator, and if you have any queries, please feel free to write a mail to SAP Navigator for you @gmail.com. So as you know, right, whenever you are creating the billing document, okay, so that billing document will be released to accounting. So there we will get two numbers. One is billing document number, so which will be generated from SD side, and once the billing document will released to accounting, so accounting document will be created, so that belongs to FI. Okay, so here the requirement is both billing document number and accounting document number should be same. I will show you one business example for the same, so that you will understand. So here is the business scenario. The management decided that they want account number to be same as the billing document number for the customer invoices. Why? Because it will simplify their reconciliation. Okay, so if the auditing team, like the finance team, business finance team, like they will do reconciliation for monthly basis or weekly basis. Okay, there are a lot of invoice over there, right? So while doing reconciliation, it's difficult to find out which account document belongs to which invoice. Okay, they have to check the flow. Okay, either they have to prepare a report or they have to go to the table, so they have to check the flow. So under which document, under which account document, which invoice is being posted. Okay, so this is like this requires some manual effort, right, to understand these things. Okay, so instead of this one, they decide that if the billing document account document should be same, then they will think that okay, whenever they are reconciliation like 1 to 3 accounting document, they will assume that okay, this 1 to 3 account document number billing belongs to 1 to 3 billing number. So this makes the job easier, right? So to achieve this, we need to perform 3 steps, like this very small requirement, and which can be achieved through SAP standard functionality. There is no need to do any enhancement for it. Okay, all you can do is SAP standard only. So there are 3 simple steps. The first step is we have to maintain the number range, the billing document number. So how whenever we are creating billing document, that one number range will be assigned, right? So that number range, and you have to maintain the same number range to the account document type as well. Okay, and third point is we have to make sure that accounting document number range should be external. Then only you can get the same number, otherwise you won't get it. Okay, so before implementing this thing, let me take you to the SAP so that you will understand. Okay, I will show you how to achieve it in SAP. Yeah, okay, we came to SAP. So let me show you how this flow works actually. So before configuring these 3 steps, I will show you how account document will be generated after saying the billing. So for that, I will simply create one order related billing. Okay, let me create one order related billing. So AC installation, it is a service material. AC installation is a service material. Okay, and I will give the price for it, base price, let's say 344. Okay, whether the document is complete or not. The document is completed. Let me save it. Okay, so sales order 326 has been saved. Let me try to create an invoice for it. Okay, so let me try to create the invoice. Okay, let me save it. Okay, invoice number same table for copied. Okay, let me save it. Okay, document 7 all zeros 333 has been saved. Okay, let me show you this document, this one only, right? So this is the billing document. So what could be the accounting document? See, for this billing document 7 all zeros 33, the account document 16 all zeros 3, it has been created. Okay, but the business wants, the client wants this billing document number and this account document number should be same, so that whenever they are doing reconciliation of this document, so they will get to know what could be the billing document. like without checking the inside the data. By looking at the account document only, they will get to know what could be the billing document. Okay, that is easy for them. So we will do the configuration now, so that we will make both the billing document number and account document will be same. First let me check the what is the number range for the billing document. So go to SPRO SAMG screen, sales and distribution, billing documents. Okay, define billing type for the sales. So go to define billing document for the sales, and my billing type is SAPN. So here you can see number range assignment is 15. Okay, and we will check what that 15 number range is. So go to SAMG again, it's in the same path, sales and distribution, billing documents. So define number ranges. Okay, here this node define number is for the billing document. So click on intervals 15. So 15. Okay, 15, which is a external. So after that we just check the document type. What is the document type? So here document type is RV. This is the account document. Okay, what are document type we will maintain here. So when the account determination is happen, the accounting will be posted to this document type. So let me check what is the number range assigned to this document type, RV. Okay, so again let me go to SAMG. Here the document type is belongs to FI, right? So go to financial accounting and global settings, and here it is document. So here it is document types. So define document type, and what is account document type? RV. So RV here what number range assigned? G1. So G1 Z1. So what could be number range for it? So from here only we can see. So number range information. So what is our company code? SAPN. Okay, for G1 2025 this number range is assigned. Okay, that's why account document created with 16 prefix. Okay, so I will show you number range as well. Number range 16003, this one only just not got created, right? So what we have to do, first we have to maintain the same number range for the both the account document and billing document. Okay, let me see what could be the available number range for the billing document. Okay, so let me go to no and RV underscore BELEG. Okay, either you can go by path or you can simply use this T code and you can use the object name. This is object name for the invoice. Okay, there is no previous. So we have to say what is the available number range. Okay, so these and all, if it is 0, if it is 0 means like no one used this number range. Okay, so we can take any 0 number range. So I will take this 0 number at 12. Okay, number is 12. If you want to create, you can create it. Okay, because there were so many number ranges are created. If you create, there might be risk of overlapping. Okay, instead of wasting out time, you can simply take the unused number range. Okay, 55. We start with the 55 and external, right? Billing document number range should be internal, account document number range should be external. Okay, so I will remove it as external and make it as internal. So let me save it 12. Okay, so I will assign this number range to my account document. So here how we can go by path or T code /VOFA under WOFA. What is our document type? SAPN, right? So SAPN. So I will remove 15 and make it first 12. Okay, let me save it. Okay, then so now we have changed the number range at the billing document. Okay, then our step 1 is done. Now what is our step 2? Step 2 is the assign the same number range to the account document. So, okay, either you can go by account document. So let me close it. So which one we have assigned? For this one only, right? Okay, then I will create number range for the this one also, SAPN me create, okay, because there is only 3 number in this, right? We can create it. Okay, I will create, and I will create 12 to avoid confusion, or else you can give your own name. So from and to number, okay, it should match with that number range. Okay, from and to. So I will copy both of these lines and I will paste it here. And like I said, account document number range should be external. If it is external, why we are making external means, if it is external, we have to give the input. Okay, so while we releasing invoice to account document, so the invoice number will act as a manual input for the accounting document number. Okay, that's why we are maintaining the external number. Okay, let me check the external number and save it. Done. So now go to change the accounting document type. Okay, OBA7, right? Either you can use OBA7, or else you can go the SPRO path from the financial accounting, financial global settings, document types. Okay, all those things. Okay, what is our document? RV. So inside RV, so what is G1, right? Instead of G1, you just make it as a 12, because 12 we have maintained the same number range, right? You just simply save it. So let me create the sale order now. SAP N. Okay. So here I am selecting service material as installation. I am showing you order related billing. Why? Because it can be easier. Otherwise, if it is a delivery related billing, I have to get order, delivery, and then invoice. Okay, it will take some time otherwise. So that's why we are simply going for the order related billing. Okay, where we can create order and then billing. Something 234 I am giving, and I will check whether there is incompletion. Okay, there is no incompletion, document is completed. Let me save it. Okay, so 327 has been saved. So yeah, now we have 01 for 327. I need to create the invoice. Billing type is SAPN. Okay, so 234, same amount is copied. So let's save it. Ignore this warning message. HSN code is not determined and business place is not determined. Okay, so those are the warning message. You can read. So you can see, right, document number 55 all zeros has been saved. Okay, if I open this document, we have 03 55 all zeros. You can see accounting document. See, now you can see billing document 55 all zeros and accounting document 55 all zeros. So this is how we can achieve both billing document number and invoice number as the same number. Okay, this is a very small config, and this part will, like, wherever you go, most of the clients will use this technique only. Okay, when they want the same account number for the invoice number as well. Yeah, okay, you understood, right? So what we did, first step, we have assigned the number range for our billing document, and same number range we have configured for the accounting document, and we assign that account document, we assign that number range to account document, and also we are make sure that the account document number range will be external. So it should be always external, then only you can get the same number. So now our requirement is fulfilled, right? So here you can see billing document and account document both are having the same number. Okay, yeah, that's it for today, guys. Okay, if you like the video, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe. So if you have any queries, please feel free to comment over the video, or else you can write a mail to sapnavigator@gmail.com. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a good day.